Hi, Malia, Natalie, and Sergio. This is the weekly overview for the week. We have wrapped up Chapter 11. We've done all of the sections, so this week is all about reviewing Chapter 11. So there's a really important video on Monday, which is today, that you should watch. It has all of the formulas for finding the surface area, the lateral area, and the volume of prisms, cylinders, pyramids, cones, and spheres. It also has the formulas for finding the ratios, similar shapes for both the perimeter, the area, and the volume. So on Monday, you're going to take the first part of your quiz number 1, and I believe that's going to focus primarily on finding the surface area and volume of prisms and cylinders. On Tuesday, your quiz is going to focus on, and Monday also, pyramids and cones. On Tuesday, you're going to focus on finding surface area and volume of pyramids, cones, and you're going to move on to spheres as well. On Wednesday, you're going to do a little bit of spheres and also do ratios, finding surface areas and volumes using ratios of similar shapes. So the quizzes 1, 2, and 3 are going to be worth, I think it was about 42 test points. So please make sure that you do them. There are no videos to watch, but you are more than welcome to go back and watch some of the previous videos that I had put up on the web or on YouTube for some of these sections. They will cover everything that I have on the quiz. So if you review those videos, you write your notes down, you pay attention to whether the formula wants slant height or height and radius versus diameter, you'll do good. Enjoy your week.